Before watching this video, please follow Axley's EAS's warnings on not being a dumbass. This EAS video is meant for entertainment purposes only. Also, this video contains valid EAS tones that, if put on the air or is misused, will trigger a real EAS activation, which will cause confusion, widespread panic, and in some cases, PTSD, which is a mental disorder that causes anxiety, depression, irritability, outbursts of anger, and in some cases, suicidal thoughts. Also, if you somehow start a real EAS activation, the police will be informed, and you could get fines up to $2,000 or $1 million, or 5 years of imprisonment. This video may have content that may not be suitable for kids under the age of 13. Also, if you watch this video, and you're under 13, I don't want to be the reason why you're crying at 3 a.m. This video may contain flashing lights, loud noises, and scary sounds, such as the EAS activation sound and sirens. These loud noises may cause hearing damage. Moreover, the flashing lights may cause seizures. For those with photosensitive epilepsy, the content contained in this EAS video may scare or overwhelm people or kids. For those with ADHD or autism spectrum disorder, if your child has a seizure, take them to the hospital immediately. If left untreated, the seizures may cause the following: short or long-term brain damage, strokes, cognitive decline, and death. Do not distribute my videos whole, as it is forbidden. This video is the property of Axley's EAS. Unauthorized reproduction or re-uploading my video without permission can result in legal action, such as a copyright strike from the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Be safe, stay healthy, and remember, don't be a dumbass. With that out of the way, enjoy the video. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the National Weather Service, serving the Washington area. Today we have obtained reports of unusually low temperatures being reported across the entire city of Washington, D.C. And also it is summertime, which means that these low temperatures are impossible. It is not known why this is happening in the summer. Temperatures are usually in the 80s to the mid-90s. But now temperatures have decreased to the 50s and into the lower 40s, and temperatures are expected to drop into the lower 30s and into the lower 20s. Not much information is known about these low temperatures. We will keep you informed on further updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in Washington, D.C. The National Weather Service in Washington, D.C. has issued a snowstorm warning for the entirety of Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas, and temperatures are expected to drop from 6 to 10 degrees below zero. This intense snowstorm can cause hypothermia if precautions are not taken seriously. This snowstorm will arrive at 5:30 p.m. and effective until 8:30 p.m., and there will be around 10 to 12 inches of snow. Regular programming will resume post-conclusion of this broadcast. We will keep you posted on further updates when they become available. Please stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation. Civil danger warning for the city of Washington, D.C. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the United Nations. This low temperature event has been confirmed in all of Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas as Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas are experiencing very low temperatures, with temperatures as low as 20 degrees to 35 degrees below zero. As of this broadcast, many people have passed away from hypothermia and multiple power outages are being reported. As the power freezes up, residents of the city of Washington, D.C. shelter in place immediately. This includes locking all doors and windows and turning on air conditioning systems. Residents of the city of Washington, D.C. are strongly advised to grab the following supplies: clothes, non-perishable foods, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a battery-powered flashlight, winter clothing, bottled water and a battery-powered radio, to last you for the duration of this broadcast. Also, if you plan on leaving your shelter, please put on winter clothes. If you fail to put on winter clothes and go outside, you are putting your life in extreme risk, for frostbite and hypothermia can potentially be fatal, and unfortunately, since the power is down, if you have an emergency, you will not be able to call 911. And also, do not drive as roads can be very icy and slippery. Please stay tuned for further updates on this developing and life-threatening situation.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is your local news provider, Axel Goldsboro. Welcome to WNYC. This is NOAA Weather Radio. So today, a huge snowstorm is expected to affect New York City, since there was a giant snowstorm affecting Washington, D.C. The temperatures will be around 35 to 39 degrees below zero. So please make sure to wear winter clothes if you don't want to risk getting hypothermia and dying. It's also getting really cold in here. I can feel it already. When will these low temperatures ever stop? I don't know why this is even happening, guys, but it's kind of miserable to be in such cold weather. I don't know if I can take much more of this cold weather. I really can't. It's too cold. I'm shivering right now. And I don't know. But we will keep you posted on further updates as they become available. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. This is ABC 7 News serving the New York City area. Today, a huge snowstorm is expected for the entire area of New York City today until tomorrow. We are expected to receive about 10 to 15 inches of snow with temperatures around 35 to 48 degrees below zero. Yeah, this is really bad, so if you don't want to get hypothermia, please wear winter clothes, at least 3 to 2 layers thick, and please wear gloves and a beanie so you don't get frostbite or hypothermia. And also, multiple power outages were reported in the city of Washington, D.C. Many people in Washington, D.C. have passed away from either hypothermia or frostbite, and we wish the best for those people. This is ABC 7 News serving the New York City area with weather, health, events, sports, and entertainment. Hello guys, I serve as the head of the United Nations. Axel Goldsborough here. Sir, we have some news. What are you even doing here? I'm one of the employees, remember? I don't know. There's like this weird low temperature phenomena happening in the summertime. What? That's impossible. Well, turns out not. I don't know what's causing it. Might be a polar vortex. You don't know that. Shut up. Yeah, I do. No, you don't. Fine, whatever. Stupid head of UN. Hey, don't call me that. I don't care. So yeah, there's this weird phenomena going on where there's like unusually low temperatures. Many people died in Washington. Oh, yes, I've heard about that. Should we tell NASA about this? I'm pretty sure NASA knows what's going on. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a call right away. Hello, I serve as the head of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So, we are now receiving reports of unusually low temperatures. Is someone calling me? Hello, who is this? Hi, it's me. I serve as the head of the United Nations. I was calling you to inform you about these low temperatures because I'm pretty sure you know what's going on. Why did you have to call me? I don't know, because you're the International Space Agency of the entire planet. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what's going on, right? Or do you not? Because if you don't know what's going on, then you're stupid. Shut up. I don't care if we're stupid or not. We've developed satellites and stuff since the 1960s. You don't know us. You know what? Screw you. I'm hanging up. Boop, boop, boop. Call ended. Dang, that guy was pretty rude. Don't you think? Yeah. One of my friends passed away in Washington, D.C. due to this deep freeze phenomena. Yeah. Oh my gosh, really? Yeah, we've known each other since we were kids. Dang, that sucks. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think we know what's going on. But not yet. Yeah. So, we will keep you posted on further updates when they become available about this low temperature event / phenomena. Thank you. Adios. Good afternoon, everybody. This is 103.5 serving the Miami area with news, health, events, sports, and entertainment, I guess. I don't know. This is probably not the news, but I'm a news reporter. So today, Guys, I really don't know what to say, but it is absolutely miserable out here. With cold temperatures, man. I can't deal with this. Everyone is inside, in their homes, pretending like it's the COVID pandemic. I wish that never existed, and it doesn't. But yeah, we are having a huge snowstorm affecting Miami, Florida, with a high of, and the temperatures will be around 48 to 55 degrees below zero. Yeah, this is getting really bad, guys. And this phenomena is even happening in Washington, D.C., Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, and other areas around the Eastern Shore, including Georgia. So, please put on some winter clothes, at least 2 to 3 layers thick if you don't want to die in these miserably cold temperatures. And also expect power outages to happen. If that happens and you have an emergency, you're dead, because the 911 line will be down during this snowstorm. When will this ever end, man? I'm really sorry, guys. I might get kicked off the news for throwing out hysteria like this on the air. Bye.
Good evening everyone, this is 103.5, serving the Miami area. These low temperatures that were reported in the eastern United States have dropped dangerously low, and temperatures have dropped to the point where people are being trapped inside homes, vehicles, buildings, apartments, hotels, and schools, and these people have either survived and were rescued, or have died due to hypothermia and frostbite, and multiple buildings across the eastern United States and power grids were completely frozen over. And as time goes on, the temperatures keep dropping, and now the temperatures are 85 to 115 degrees below zero. These temperatures are so cold to the point where vehicles, power grids, and cell towers have stopped functioning completely. And sadly, if you have an emergency, you will not be able to call 911 because of these very cold temperatures. Stay tuned for further updates on this life-threatening situation.
Hello, it is us, NASA again. So, now we actually know what's causing this so-called freeze event. So, it has just been discovered that an unknown object has pushed the Earth out of its orbit, and now the Earth is traveling very far from the Sun, which is why we're having such low temperatures reported across the world, including the United States, Canada, Mexico, Russia, and other countries. This unknown object hit Europe and has now left a huge has now left a small crater in the UK, leaving London completely destroyed. No, actually, the object bounced off the Earth, which pushed the Earth out of its orbit. Yeah, this is really bad, guys. Sorry if I made some mistakes. We all do. Sir, are you okay? Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. Guess we all might die. Thank you. This is Axel Goldsboro, the leader of NASA. Goodbye. It was really nice working with you. But this is the end of the world. Thank you. Goodbye forever. Hello, it's your news reporter, Axel Goldsboro. It's really cold in here. The temperature is negative 120 Celsius. I don't, guys, I really don't know how long I can tolerate this. I'm currently under 5 layers of winter clothing, and I'm still cold like it's snow. I feel like someone poured salt and ice on my skin. Oh gosh. No, not 199 negative Celsius. Dang it. As time goes on, multiple deep freezes are being reported across the world. And oh no, I don't know, guys, my system's about to malfunction. I love you. I'm sorry for mistakes I did. Any mistakes I did. Oh no, this is not good. Oh no, uh-oh. Yeah, these temperatures are now being reported across the world. Oh gosh. Ooh, I don't know if I'm ready. Oh.
This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will be delivering a message over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is the emergency alert system, serving the Florida area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for the public in assigned areas. This is 103.5. We will continue to serve the Florida area. You are now listening to the emergency alert system. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. Only this is the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United Nations, the National Weather Service and National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency is in effect. As of midnight, a massive deep freeze is being reported across the planet. It has just been discovered that an unknown object has bounced off the Earth, pushing the Earth out of orbit and away from the Sun, which is why these extremely low temperatures are being reported across the planet. Already 3 billion fatalities have been made across the planet, and due to it being so cold, multiple power outages have been reported across the planet. The Earth is currently suffering the effects of a deep freeze. Humanity is currently on the brink of extinction, and sadly, Humanity will almost certainly not make it through this deep freeze. This is it. We have reached the end of our story, and these extremely low temperatures range from 245 to 699 degrees below zero. Also, multiple buildings and vehicles have frozen up in seconds. This includes large bodies of water, such as the Pacific Ocean. The United States government strongly advises all citizens of the United States to do these following things as doomsday arrives. Gather those you know and love, such as family, friends, and pets, and await your final moments together. The United States government has selected a verse of the Bible to be read on the air. Romans 6:23. For the wages of sin is death, but the free gift of God is eternal life, our Lord Jesus. After this message, all forms of television, internet, and social media will shut down forever. This broadcast will conclude with the final playing of the national anthem. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system from a representative of the President. Goodbye everyone, we hope to see you all in the afterlife. This concludes our broadcast.